Hello, good morning. How are you doing today? Today we are going to discuss the guna of the planet, in which I have said there are 24 gunas, correct? There are 24 gunas. So out of the 24 gunas, we are going to discuss about the Icha means desire. And I have explained in the previous video that Icha comes from the planetary aspects. This video is going to be on the English language, but if anyone is watching this video from Tamil audience, looking forward for Tamil language video, kindly request, I will try to make one. So, this particular guna of the planet is always the Icha of the planet is related to the planetary aspect. And whenever we have to understand the Icha of a planet, we have two kind of positions are very important. Imagine a human's activity of 24 hours. Now we knew that we all go for work for 8 hours. So 16 hours we spend our time on at home. So planets also having two activities. One is to remain in home, one is to go to office for doing some work. So when you come to home, there could be work. But primarily, why are we coming to home for taking adequate rest? So out of the 16 hours, we may sleep 8 hours, correct? And 8 hours, typically we'll be doing some activity, we'll be taking bathing, we'll be rushing for dressing and all those things. All are work only, correct? But primarily, if you notice, our majority of the time is going for resting. So the 4 and 10 are opposite houses, hence. One is going for intention to go for work. The other one says, sorry, I am looking for some rest. So the planets also having these two major activities. One is working from home, the other one is working from office. So yesterday I was asking you that what is the Icha of the moon? The desire is always coming from the planetary drishti. And for moon, the 100% drishti, that is desire, is in the 7th house. So, if so, what is the moon's own house, which is called as its own home? It is Cancer. So, from Cancer, the 7th house is Capricorn. But if it is Mula Trikona, then it is Taurus. So, from Taurus, the moon's Icha falls in Scorpio, where it is debilitated. So, in the office, the moon's work is to regain the longevity by doing lot of immunity, getting immunity. So for which it remain in the Venus, who is the god of immunity. And how that immunity happens? Through water. That is why the 2nd house, which is the ruler, Venus is ruled by water. The planetary, the tattva of the planet is water. And the moon itself is exalted in Taurus. The purpose is when there is a debilitation at your desire, the desire is to increase the longevity, correct? To requiring longevity, because Scorpio debilitation means you are going to die. So what the moon will look forward, the moon wants to enjoy the life. It wants to see more life. So for which the primarily the 2nd house becomes the water sign. That is why Mahadev or Shiv, wherever you go to Shiva's temple, you will understand that there is a pot which is kept, which is flowing, water is flowing from the pot. The main purpose of that Icha is because the Scorpio is debilitated, the moon is debilitated, here the moon is exalted, so it is primarily increasing the power of sustenance through water. Because Scorpio, the water is stagnated. When the water is stagnated, you will be dying soon. Whereas in that Scorpio, it is trying to increase the water pressure, so through which it wants to push the Scorpio's water to get more life. That is the purpose. Because stagnated water to push, you need a huge force of water to push it. So from where it will originate from? It will originate from Taurus. So that is the main function or the Icha of the moon. When it is going to the, when it goes for work for the 8 hours like man do, moon also has to do for 8 hours primarily some duties. So that duty of the moon is to primarily increase the longevity of the for its own life. So wherever your moon is placed should also be to be studied in a similar manner. And our school, especially our ASK School of Astrology, Astro Sri Krishnan School of Astrology, put lot of emphasis in learning the desire, Icha of the planets. Not only the Icha, also we will be able to, we should be able to study the 24 different type of guna of the planet, so that you will understand in a chart, if a planet is placed, what does it convey, you will understand. Otherwise, your chart reading will be blind. You cannot be able to understand anything. It's fine. Now, come to the next point, how it functions from its original house of the house which is Cancer. Now, the 7th sign is the 10th house of Kalapurusha. What does it indicate? Now, you all had understood that in the coronavirus, you almost everyone would have spent the 24 hours at home. Do you enjoy it, or some of you already had got depression? I am sure you will get depression. Why? Because your activity of that 8 hours is supposed to go to office for a change. The moment that does not happen, then there is some problem with the desire of the moon. The desire of the moon does not materialize. You see? So that is the main reason why the 7th house is very, very important. That is why it is called as Purna Drishti. That means it wants to go to work. That is its desire. Now imagine that, where is our Saturn today? Anyone can tell me where is the Saturn today, in which sign? So if you have a knowledge of Saturn, I am sure that you will know that today Saturn is in Capricorn in a retrograde sign. So the immediate Icha of every human being, leave alone Indians, every human being around the world wants to go back to work. That is the function, because when you are remaining at home 24 hours, you will be bored. You don't have work. That puts a lot of pressure on the moon, and slowly our mind will go to depression. So you need constant regeneration. Your activity, your mind has to look for, because moon needs lot of changes. It cannot be ideal at one. It cannot be idle. Sorry, not ideal. Moon cannot be idle at one place. Keep on working. To have that kind of scenario, I should go back to work. Then coming back to work, it already got 10 hours. Then while coming, it wants to see some movies and do some activity. Then suddenly it goes to internet. Somebody operates a phone. How fast the things are happening. So the humans only spend 7 to 8 hours for a good sleep. The rest of the hours, you are non-stop having this activity, correct? This is called as Icha. The moon's Icha, the desire. And desire originates from every planet, not only moon. So everybody should understand the Icha of the planets, for which you have to understand the Guna of the planets. And you must be wondering, just with one Guna, I could be able to see what is the characteristics of that. So there are 23 more for you to learn. So every activity is having a very deep connection in astrology. So the moon's Icha is divided into two. The first Icha, when it is working, it needs more longevity because you don't want to die. So that is the main purpose of the moon, to increase the longevity of the person by bringing more water. That is why the Taurus is called as exaltation sign. What does it mean? It is saying that I have more water and it is flowing through the Shivlanga, through the pot. So that is the main function. And the water starts flowing it in a rushing pattern. Because if in a waterfall, if you would have gone if anyone would have gone to waterfall, they knew that when water is falling from a height, what is the force? It will be in such a force, it will be falling on your head, right? And it is a nice hair treatment, because when you be below the waterfall for 5-10 minutes, your dandruff or whatever the scalp problem you have, everything will go vanish on immediately. Why? Because it is having such a medicinal property. Not only that, this water which is gushing from that force is directly attacking the Scorpio by pushing this water stagnation, by increasing the longevity of the person. Similarly, when it comes back to home, always the person thinks about going back to work tomorrow, because that is his main activity. Both has to parallelly go together. If a person asks to work more, then also he don't feel good. But if he's asking to sit more in the house, then also they don't like it. So you see the conflict here. That is why these houses are in opposite to each other. So to understand, you have to learn Vedic astrology properly with a guru to understand the guna, the icha of the planets, and also how to study these icha of planets, etc. Through through any such short courses, or if you want to learn Vedic astrology, you can join my 5 years course module to learn Vedic astrology in a proper manner. I hope you have understood the Icha. That is one of the primary attribute of the guna of the planets. Thank you very much.